Good morning, everyone. I'm Brian Lee on this beautiful morning. Today, I've been receiving several messages and emails on my phone, even calls from different people, complaining they have gotten their passwords on this platform called Forexmax. So today, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password. But before I go into the video, please, if you're a new member on this channel, please consider subscribe. And if the video has worked for you, don't forget to comment and like the video. You can even share to your friends and colleagues so that we grow up in this platform. You get notified whenever I post a new video. Let us jump into the video. When you want to reset your password, you click on the link which is there, and then when you click on it, let's see, it will bring you this thing. But you go into log. You click because you have had your account already. So you click on login. When you click on login, then they ask you to enter username and password here. But now for your case, you have forgotten yours, so you have to click on forgot password. So after clicking there, they ask you enter your forgotten registered email. I click there and you enter there. Just put mine. Then you click send reset link, which is this. You click there. They are saying until we have entered, you have emailed your password reset link, which is this. They have sent it there, so I have to rush and go and check into my emails. Let me see. This is the email. So let me see whether they have sent it. Yes, it is there. It is this one. The password recovery reset. So you shall click on it, and they also ask our password. They're saying login password. This is password and this is the name. So you have to copy it there, then you go back and log into your account. So if this video is helpful, it has been helpful for you, please comment and share to your friends. I wish you a nice day. Remain with as Brian Lee. Don't forget to invest what you can afford to lose. Have a blessed day. Join me into another video which is coming soon. Thank you.